Okay, good day everyone. Let us continue about the topic that we have discussed last meeting, which is all about quadratic function. This time we are going to discuss about factoring. No? Factoring perfect square trinomial. So kailangan natin itong ma-recall itong topic na to. No? Kasi gagamitin natin siya sa during solving quadratic functions. Okay? Okay. Factoring perfect square trinomials. So ito yung form natin, no? A plus or minus b squared is equals to a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared, no? So ito yung square of a binomial, no? And then yung result niya, no? Pagka simplify natin to, nagiging perfect square trinomial kung tawagin. Yung first term niya is a perfect square, last term niya is a perfect square, yung middle term niya is the product of the first term and second term times 2 pa. Okay, yan ang nagiging tinatawag na perfect square trinomial. Now, paano naman kung given yung perfect square trinomial? No? Paano natin siya i-write into this form? Okay? To factor, get the square root of the first term. No? Kunin natin yung square root ng first term. Get the square root of the last term naman. And then copy the sign of the second term. Okay? And then enclose it in parentheses, no? The factor and put 2 as an exponent. Okay, enclose natin in parentheses yung factor and then put 2 as the exponent. Example, madali lang to. Madali, ma-recall nyo to kasi ni-discuss ko na to dati rin. 4a squared plus 4ab plus b squared. Okay, so paano ko masa-simplify ito? Now, kunin ko yung square root ng first term, no? We have here square root of 4a squared, that is equal to 2a. Okay? Next, square root of b squared, no? What is the square root of b squared? We have b. Okay? Sunod, magiging, ang sabi doon, i-enclose natin in parenthesis itong dalawa. 2a, tapos copy natin yung sign ng second term, which is plus, no? So 2a and b, then plus sa gitna, then enclose it in parenthesis, put 2 as exponent. Yun na yung factor niya. Yun lang. Okay, madali lang. Kasi perfect square naman siya. Perfect square trinomial. Another one, 3a squared plus 6ab plus 3b squared. This time, no, yung first term natin, yung numerical coefficient niya is not a perfect square. What should we do here? Paano natin ma-apply itong method na to? Una, tanggalin natin yung 3. No? Tanggalin natin yung 3. I-factor out natin. Then natira, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Bakit naging 2ab to, sir? Ay 6 to. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Kasi tinanggalan natin siya ng 3. Tinanggalan natin ng 3 to. Kaya naging 2. 3 times 2, balik ulit siya sa 6. Okay? Now, since yung a squared natin dito is perfect square na, yung b squared is perfect square, then get the square root of the first and the last term. Square root of a squared is a. Square root of b squared is b. Then, we have here a and b. Copy the sign of the second term. Yung sign ng second term is positive. That's why we have positive here. Enclose it in parentheses. Then put 2 as exponent. Yun lang kadali. Okay? Then, times 3. Huwag kalimutan to kasi kasama pa siya dito sa original form. Lagyan natin ito. Okay? Next, another one. We have 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared. No? Again, ganun pa rin na process. No? Square root of 9x squared, that is 3x. Because 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Okay? So, now, square root of 4y squared, no? That is equal to 2y. No? 4y squared. 2y times 2y is 4y squared. Square root of 4y is 2y. Okay. So na. As long as alam niyo yung pagkuha ng square root, madali lang to. No? We have 3x and 2y. Copy the sign of the second term. Ano yung sign? Minus. So copy natin yan dito. Minus. Enclose natin in parenthesis. So, sumubra. Bitin ko ha. Okay. Minus, no? Enclose it in parenthesis and then put 2 as an exponent. Okay. Okay. Exercise tayo. Find the factor. Okay. We have x squared plus 8x plus 16. No? So, paano yon? We have x plus 4 squared. No? Madali lang. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 16 is 4. Copy the sign of the second term which is positive. Enclose it in parentheses. And then lagyan mo ng exponent 2. Sunod, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Okay, square root of ulit ng 4x squared na discuss ko na yung kanina. Nasa example yon. We have 2x. Square root of 9, 3. Copy the sign of the second term which is minus. Minus dyan. Enclose in parentheses. Then exponent na 2. Okay. Next, we have 2x squared plus 20x plus 50. Ano yung magiging factor niya dito? Tulad dito sa example number 2. No? 2 is not a perfect square. So, tatanggalin natin siya. Pag tinanggal ko yan, ang matitira, x squared plus 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, magiging 10x to. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So, magiging 25 to. And then yung factor niya, magiging x plus 5, enclose in parenthesis, put 2 as exponent, then dagdag mo itong 2 na finactor out natin. Okay? So, that's it. Okay. So, thank you for listening. Again, do not forget to answer the exercises, no? Huwag kakalimutan. And that's it, no? Thank you and goodbye, everyone.